Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background on your Android phone. All you have to do is hold down on the open space, and you can see I can get the screen to kind of like pop out a little bit. I have the option for wallpaper and styles right here in the bottom left. I can just tap on that. And then I can change my wallpaper under here. So I can tap this one, I can tap that one, and just get a good look at it. So let's go back. I don't know why this opened up for the Google Play Store. But there it is. This is what it looks like. So let's go back over to my wallpapers and style. And this is what it looks like right now. I can move like the clock and stuff around. Then I can go to wallpaper right here. I can choose a different wallpaper. I can reset it. I can choose a video if I want. Here's the different graphics. Here's the different colors. I should be able to set something from my gallery in here too if I tap on my gallery. So if I want a picture, I don't know, maybe this picture with a hat, I can just set this. I can't move this up and down, but I can leave it right there. So you can go to Suggestions, Gallery, Frame, Effects right here, and just take a look at it. If there's any good effects on here you like, then go to Apply, and then go to Done. And you should be able to set that. This is my lock screen now. And I think I can go to my home screen if I tap on this one on the left, or the right. And I can do the same thing under here. So I can go to my gallery if I want. Sometimes I just do that. So let's go to this one here with the controller. That will do. And then I'm going to go to a different effect here. Okay, go to Apply and then go to Done. So all you have to do is go to Wallpaper and Styles, and there's a bunch of different options in here. Here's the color palette. If we want to change this around, kind of like the default one. So we can go back, dim wallpaper when dark mode is on, change wallpaper. So yeah, that's how you get it. You can get more wallpapers down here, get dynamic ones, live wallpapers, or you can set like a video as your wallpaper too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.